what's going on? Today being Sunday, February 21st, 2021. I got a call from one of my good brokers that works from North Carolina. Did a bunch of freight for him back in 2020. And the reason why I'm making this video is to clarify how important it is to have and build relationships and durable contracts with these people. So I'm hauling like some plumbing hoses, orange ones. So 2,500 pounds, 650 miles. And he's paying. He basically called me today in the afternoon. And he's like, name a price. So I told him $4 on a mile to Detroit, from Charlotte to Detroit. And that's basically what he ended up paying. Now, being how crazy this past week has been with all the snowstorms, Texas and stuff of the sort. So people have been, struggling, and the load board has literally lit up. Brokers are paying $4, $5 a mile for emergency relief. There's a load running $4,500 from Charlotte, Texas, 1,100 miles, Charlotte to Houston, Charlotte, Dallas. So it's been some good time. I'm about 280 miles from my delivery. Basically a day's work for $2,500 minus fuel, $250, give or take. I think that's rather very good, all things considered. On the other hand, Hellcat is still at the shop. They told me it was going to be finished Friday last week. It has not been completed. They're replacing the transmission. Second one that went in 2020. I'm really thinking whether to keep the car or not. Most likely I will, but it just driving me mad that drive the car for 2 months, something always goes. So guys, that's the update. Like I said, I'll be in Detroit, Michigan tomorrow morning. Hopefully I can maybe grab a reload to Florida or something. Make some more money. I guess the only negatives you could possibly say that have been happening are the prices of fuel have gone up. I remember prices being $1.62, $1.64 in Charlotte, North Carolina. Now they are $2.80 at the cheapest gas station you'll find. That's just absurd. I'm very, very disappointed, but what are you gonna do? Duramax is at 74, about to be 68, hauling wonderfully, absolutely no issues with the truck. It is on the sensitive side, however, I'm constantly hauling 10K of trailer weight and about 16 to 18,000 pounds, unless of course there's a dedicated run like this one that I'm doing right now. So it's been doing great. We'll see what time will show us. For right now, I'm pleasantly surprised at how quiet and soft and just absolutely awesome this truck is. So guys, that's the update. Stay tuned. I'll probably make here another video once I pick the cat up. And cat's gonna go from the dealership to straight to a performance shop. I'm gonna end up doing a race tune on it. should be somewhere in the neighborhood of 920, 40, maybe even 50 horsepower. So that's all in the future though. Thanks for viewing, guys. As always, have a wonderful day, and until next time.